In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to use NordVPN on a PC. So first of all, open a browser of your choice, and in there you're going to be typing NordVPN just like this. And once you do, you can see I have typed NordVPN over here and press enter onto your keyboard. Once you press enter, you will be coming across this particular link that you need to click, which will lead you to this platform, which is official NordVPN. And from here you can start with your account. So if you want to use it on your desktop, you can see we have this download VPN option and choose desktop. From here you can see we have desktop option, we have mobile option as well, and we have extensions. So these extensions can also be used on a PC, which I recommend. So let's just try the extension. I'm going to be clicking onto the extension option over here for Edge, since I use Microsoft Edge, and it is going to be um, taking us to the browser. You can see add it to Edge, and just hold on a bit, click on get and just wait. So you can see it is now added and we can start using it. So that's how easy it is to get started with NordVPN and extension. You can see we have view extension option, and over here let me just show you much more closely. I got my NordVPN ready to go. So that's how easy it is to get started with. And yeah, see you soon in the next video.